Hello friends and my dear students, I welcome you all to my channel. I hope you are all well and your studies are also going on well. In this part 16 video from the chapter of coordinate geometry, I will discuss about the lines which are parallel to the coordinate axis, uh, what are their equations, the form of their equations and points lying on the lines which are parallel to the coordinate axis, and what will be the distance between 2 points that lie on a line which is parallel to the either x-axis or y-axis. So this video is part of the playlist CBSE Maths for class 9 following the textbook of author R.D. Sharma. If you find where I discuss primarily the key concepts and formulas for problem solving. If you find this video beneficial, then please like it, share it with your friends, and please support me to grow my channel. And do not forget subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified by my future videos. Okay, so what is the equation of a line? What will be the equation of a line which is parallel to the y-axis? So the equation of a line parallel to the y-axis is of the form x equals to a, where a is a real number. This means a belongs to, this is a set notation saying that a is a real number. A belongs to R. This symbol is epsilon, is known as belongs to. R is the set of all real numbers. This whole thing notation means a is a real number. Okay, so it is a constant real number. So this kind of equation, this equation represents a line which is parallel to the y-axis. Now, depending on the sign of the constant a, if a is positive, the line will be towards the right hand side of the y-axis or along the positive direction of the x-axis. So uh, this is the positive direction of the x-axis. This is the negative direction of the x-axis. Similarly, this is the positive direction of the y-axis, and this is the negative direction of the y-axis. If a is positive, then the line which is parallel to the which is parallel to the y-axis will be to the right hand side of the y-axis, and if a is negative, it will be to the left hand side of the y-axis or along the negative direction of the x-axis. Okay, so let's say I'm just for the sake of discussion, I'm considering a is a positive real number. So the line x equals to a will be somewhat like this. It is parallel to the y-axis. Let's say the line PAB, AB is the line which represents whose equation is x equals to a. Now this line will be the perpendicular distance of this line from the y-axis. This distance will be modulus of a. Remember, you must be careful that the perpendicular distance of the line x equals to a from the y-axis is modulus of a, not a. It is modulus of a, because if the a could be positive or negative, but distances measured in the coordinate system is always positive. That is, distance between two lines, distance between a point and a line, distance between 2 points is always positive. Okay, so this was a line. X equals to a is a line. A line parallel to the y-axis is equation of the line parallel to a y-axis is of the form x equals to a, and modulus of a will be the perpendicular distance of the line from the y-axis. Now let's talk about about the points lying on this line AB, which is parallel to y-axis. Let's say I have a point C. All points on this line AB will be of the form A, comma K, where K is where K is a real number. It could be any real number, but the abscissa of all points lying on this line AB, whose equation is x equals to a, will be a. That is we can say all points lying on this line AB is also at a perpendicular distance of a from the y-axis, or yes, from the y-axis. So let's say there is another point D over here. lying on the line AB, its abscissa will be of course A, and let's say its ordinate is something else. Let's say it is K2, and let's say the ordinate of the point C be K1. Now, what will be the distance between the point C and D, which lies on the line AB, and the line AB is parallel to the y-axis, and the equation of the line AB is x equals to A, which means that and the ordinates coordinates of the point C is a comma K1, and the coordinates of the point D is a comma K2. So CD, the distance between the point C and D, which lies on the line AB, will be equal to the absolute value of the difference of the ordinates, absolute value of K minus K2, or the numerical value of the difference of K1 and K2. K1 is the ordinate of the point C, and K2 is the ordinate of the point D, and the point C and D lie on the same on the line AB, which is parallel to y-axis. Okay. So both the points C and D are at a perpendicular distance of modulus of A from the y-axis. Okay. So this was about a line and points, a line which is lines which are parallel to y-axis, and about the points lying in that line which is parallel to y-axis. Now let's consider a line. So what will be the equation of what will be the general form of the equation of a line which is parallel to x-axis? Let's say this be a line which is parallel to, let's say PQ be a line which is parallel to the x-axis. The equation of any line parallel to x-axis is of the form y is equal to b. Y equals to b is the general form of the equation of a line which is parallel to x-axis. Now this means, now what is b? What does b represents? Now if b is positive, b is a real number. It is a constant. It is a real number. If b is positive, it will mean that the line PQ is above the x-axis, that is, or along the positive direction of the y-axis. And if b is negative, then the line PQ will lie below the x-axis or along the negative direction of the y-axis. Okay. Now, what will be the perpendicular distance of the line? The perpendicular distance of the line PQ, whose equation is y equals to b, from the x-axis will be modulus of b. So perpendicular distance of the line PQ, whose equation is y equals to b, from x-axis is equal to modulus of b. So the equation of the line PQ which is parallel to x-axis is y equals to b. Then the perpendicular distance of the line PQ from the x-axis will be modulus of b. Similarly, for the case of line parallel to y-axis, I must say perpendicular distance of the line AB, whose equation is given as x equals to a from y-axis is equal to modulus of a. Okay. Now let's discuss about points lying on the line PQ which is parallel to the x-axis. Let's say there is a point over here U, and there is another points over here V. Now all points, the ordinate of all points lying on the line PQ which is parallel to x-axis will be same. So, and the ordinate will be B. So the ordinate of the point U which lies on the line PQ will be B. Also the ordinate of the point V which also lies on the line PQ will be B. Where is B coming from? The equation of the line PQ is y equals to B. And the abscissa of the point abscissa of all points lying on the line PQ could be any real number. So let's say I'm considering the abscissa of the point U is x1 and the abscissa of the point V be x2. Okay. So the point P is at a perpendicular distance of modulus of B from the x-axis. Also, the point U is at a perpendicular distance of modulus of B from the x-axis. Also, point V is at a perpendicular distance of modulus of B from the x-axis. Now, what will be the distance between the points U and V that lies on the line PQ, which is parallel to x-axis? So, UV will be the distance between the points P and V. The distance between the points U and V that lies on the line PQ will be the absolute value of the difference of their abscissa, that is x1 minus x2, numerical value of x1 minus x2. x1 minus x2 is the difference of the abscissa of points U and V, and their numerical value is modulus. This is the distance between the points P and U and V that lies on the line PQ, which is parallel to the x-axis. That is the distance between any two points that lie on a line parallel to x-axis is equal to the numerical value of the difference of the abscissa of those 2 points. Okay. I think that is all. This is all the concepts that you need to understand very well regarding the lines parallel to the coordinate axis and about the points that lie on those lines which are parallel to coordinate axis. If you have any question in this video that I discussed in the concepts, please feel free to let me know in the comment section. I will do my best to help you out. And if this video was beneficial, then please like it, share it with your friends, and please support me by subscribing to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified by my future videos. I think I am pretty much done about all the concepts from the chapter of coordinate geometry, and I have also solved many problems. The initial videos from this chapter were problem solving. In the next video, I think I will start the next new chapter, which is Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. So please stay tuned for upcoming videos. I'm ending the video here. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, take care and bye.